Hey guys, I think you are doing well. Let us see the while loop in C Sharp. I think you have seen while loop in C, C++, Java. While loop in C Sharp is same. What is loop? The statements will be executed for the number of times till the condition is true. That's what the loop works. That's how loops works. Means while the condition is true, statements block will be executed. This is the syntax of while loop. While condition block to be executed. So let us run this example. Let us see what happens with it. So using system is the built-in namespace. You have seen, namespace my application class program. Value of I is 0 at the start, I is less than 5 means till I is 4 things will be executed. When I value of I is 5, then this thing will not execute. We are printing the value of I, then we are incrementing the value of I by 1. So output will be 0 till. So this is quite simple. This is the while loop. So this is the note, do not forget to increase the variable used in condition, otherwise loop will never end. Means your execution screen will go on executing if you are not written any incremented the value. So let us see the do while loop. What is the main difference between while and do while? What while does is while executes the condition first. When condition is true, it executes the statement. But what do while does is it executes the statements, then checks the condition. Means for the first time whether condition is true or false, the statements inside do while will be executed. This is a quite simple explanation of do while. Okay? Yes. So let us. This is the do while. Do means execute these statements, while then condition will be checked, and semicolon after the condition is necessary in do while. This is the difference you need to keep in your mind. After the condition you need to write the semicolon. Okay, let us execute this example for once. Here I have taken value of I to 0. I am incrementing while 0 to 4 will be printed as it is. You have seen do while in C language, similar do while is in C Sharp. Just you are writing console is the class, write line in the method which is already written in a console class which is in system namespace. Okay, that's why we are including system namespace. Okay, so here we have seen while and do while. So let us stop here.